How do you drive that relevance but not lose scale? And so some of the things that we're doing, and again, thank you for sharing about our first-party data infrastructure. But again, we have that scale of the 210 million households. And so what we can do is we can not only create segments out of that, but we can also make those segments bigger by finding the programming that those segments are watching the most and index against that to be able to expand the reach of the campaign. Also, given the breadth and depth of our content, we can leverage data to understand contextual opportunities, right? So you think about the mindset of the consumer and when they might be most receptive or when they might be thinking about big health decisions, and look across our library of content. We can get pretty specific in terms of driving contextual relevance. And then again, just going back to that first-party data infrastructure, the amount of segments that we have that are scalable as it relates to demo, household income, health and wellness enthusiasts, moms, like we can really start to get creative, again, based on the advertiser's objective, about what segments would make the most sense in what environment to drive impact. We're really leaned in the retail media space, and I think we're working with Walmart, we're working with Instacart. I think there's a lot of opportunity, not just as it relates to targeting, but closed loop measurement. And I think that's really the key piece for us, and really being able to provide that visibility to brands. And again, I think it can be relevant for pharma today. It's again, just understanding the parameters in which pharma brands need to operate or think about this, right? So eye drops, someone buying eye drops might be a condition, that's coming, or they might end up seeking care for, or it might be an opportunity to target a pool of people to create awareness about a drug and understand sort of how they interacted. So I think it's early days, but I think absolutely retail media is another great source of data. But I think more importantly, it's a huge opportunity for us to improve measurement overall.